0% April credit cards. Okay, what's the catch? How can credit card companies offer 0 APR credit cards and still make money? Well, now that interest rates have gone up, they don't so much anymore. But 0 APR cards can still be found if you look, and the internet is probably the best source. So what's the catch? There are several. For more videos, please like and subscribe. Most 0 APR credit cards offer 0 APR for a limited time, normally no more than a year. Carefully read the fine print to find out exactly how much interest you'll be paying later. Some people try to transfer their entire credit card balance to a new 0 APR card every year in order to extend their limited time offer indefinitely, but credit card companies are getting wise to this maneuver. Nevertheless, getting a 0 APR credit card can be a smart move as long as you read the contract and follow the rules. There is usually an annual fee. $20 is no problem, but beware triple-digit fees just to get 0 APR for 12 months. 0 APR card issuers make money from suckers. So don't be one. Late fees are high, so pay on time. How much of an interest rate is 0 APR plus a late fee of $25? You can do the math yourself. The card issuer might also jack up the rate for late payers. They call it a default interest rate. And a default interest rate may apply not only to existing balances but future charges as well. 0 APR credit cards can be great value if there is a reasonable interest rate after the limited offer period ends and as if you pay all your card bills as they come due. If you do that, then your low interest rate will in effect be paid for by the suckers who snatch up these cards and then don't pay on time.